Bon appetit! Let's make a crispy baked lechon kawali. So it's a pork dish and so crispy and yummy. So first you need to have pork. So I choose on this video a pork shoulder. So I brine it with a mixture of water, salt, pepper, and some garlic for 4 hours in order to have the meat much tender. So as seen, after 4 hours, I've boiled it, and after I put it in the oven for the first 10 minutes, I put at maximum 500 degrees Fahrenheit for 10 minutes in order for the skin to be crispy. And then after the first 10 minutes, I lower it down into like you can have 200 or 230 degrees Celsius, and I baked it until it's golden brown. And yeah, as you could hear, it's crackling and it's very crispy. And that's the finished product. It's so simple, easy, and affordable. Look at the skin. Try to scratch it with a knife and it's so crispy. Hope you enjoy my video. Bon appetit!